there, and welcome to Platform Fundamentals, your step-by-step training series to master ServiceNow and become a certified system administrator. I'm Willo Glynn, a ServiceNow consultant, developer, and trainer. I've had the chance to work with some of the biggest organizations in the world and help them design and deploy real-world ServiceNow solutions that actually work. In this series, I'm bringing that experience to you so that you can not only pass the CSA exam, but also build that kind of hands-on knowledge that makes you stand out in any ServiceNow role. So what exactly is ServiceNow? At its core, it's a cloud-based platform that helps organizations automate workflows, manage data, and deliver services more efficiently. Think IT tickets, chain requests, HR tasks, security incidents, and even policy management, all in one place, all built on a single data model. When you log into ServiceNow instance, you'll most likely be using the UI 16 interface, which is what you'll be using throughout this series. On the left, you'll find the Application Navigator. It's the menu to everything. You can either type into the filter or scroll through the applications and modules. In the center of the screen is called the content frame. This is where you'll spend most of your time, viewing records, filling out forms, running reports, and more. And at the top is the banner frame. The banner frame shows the global tools like the help menu, your active update set, and your user settings. Hey, just a quick moment. If you're getting value from this, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you want to chat about consulting, team training, or your own ServiceNow journey, connect with me here or on LinkedIn. In this next section, we're going to talk about impersonating a user. One of the most powerful tools you'll have as a system administrator, especially when you're learning, is the ability to impersonate other users. By impersonating someone, you can see the platform exactly as they do. This is incredibly helpful for testing roles, permissions, catalog access, and workflows without needing to log out or create test users. To impersonate someone, you'll go to the User menu, scroll down to Impersonate User, and select the person that you want to impersonate. Type in their name or select one you've recently done. We're going to pick Jim Jones. Now you'll notice in the top right corner, it now says Jim Jones as the available. And when I go to the All, you'll notice that I have less options to choose from in his menu. That is because his roles don't allow for the ITEL or admin rights. He is a basic user. So here I'm impersonating a user with the ESS role, which stands for Employee Self-Service. As I go in, you'll notice that I only have access to Employee Center or Knowledge. Now, let's take a look at a person with more access or more roles. If I want to impersonate someone else, I can come in and hit either End Impersonation or Impersonate Another User. For the moment, let me show you how to end the impersonation so that we can transfer back to our original user. Now that I'm back to my normal admin user, I'm going to select User menu, go down to Impersonate, and in this one, I'm going to select Fred Ludy. And just for a best practice, while impersonating, any action you take or perform, you're going to perform as that user. So if you submit a record or change data, it'll show that user's name in the activity log. Always be careful before submitting anything real while impersonating. As we look at Mr. Ludi, if I now go to all, you'll notice that I now have more access to different items. So inside of here, if I wanted to go to, let's say, the GRC state models, I'll have access to those, where in our previous person with the ESS role did not have access to this. When you're finished impersonating, ensure that you end your impersonation. So go back to the user menu, scroll down to end impersonation, and now I'm back to my normal admin. You'll definitely see impersonation mentioned in the CSA exam. So make sure you know how to use it, how to access it, and what it's used for. The most important, make sure you understand what happens when you're impersonating another user. Impersonation is your best friend as an admin, especially when troubleshooting or demoing. You'll use it all the time, so get comfortable with it early. That's your quick intro to ServiceNow in the UI 16 layout. In the next episode, we're going to walk through how an instance is structured, understanding environments like development or dev, test, and production. And if you haven't already, make sure you activate your free ServiceNow developers instance so that you can follow along with all the hands-on demos in this series. Thank you for watching Platform Fundamentals. If you found this to be helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. I'm Willo Glynn, and I'll see you in the next one.